Hey! So here is the reveal from our tutorial Tuesday. I have a couple more out here that I have made, and they're in our little stands that we make too. This is the pen that we made today. After it baked, we let it cool, and then I did put 2 more coats of the Sculpey gloss glaze on it. Let it dry in between for at least 30 minutes. And this is how it turned out. Super cute. And again, the tips, I just stuck them back on there after everything was glazed. This is the pen. Feels good. And this is just one of the pen stands that we've made. It's Ash Mash. And then here's just a couple more that I've made. This is my favorite pen stand, a boss lady. There's a couple different styles that you can do. It's marbled. And then in here, a few more styles. This one we did some Christmas colors. And this is the pen that I did during the DP-a-thon. Some Halloween colors there. That live is also located on my channel. Here's one of the pens that I made with that indent that I was telling you guys about. It's not like a too drastic of an indent, but it's there, it feels good. There's another one with an indent. And then, as the cool thing about making them with polymer clay is you can make them as thick as you want. See, like this Christmas one here is much thicker than the other ones. So, I mean, you can just play with it. You can customize it however you want. Making pens are fun. And then this one I wanted to show you guys too. This stand just says Diamond Life, and it's a picture of a drill pen. Yeah. This is a Paracord pen. These are also fun to make, and they're really comfortable. The only thing about these Paracord pens though, I'm not sure if there's a way to do a multi-placer. I've been trying, I couldn't get it to secure on there. But if you guys are interested, I can also do a tutorial on how to make those. Okay. Alright, so now for the jar of insanity. Hold on. Stop moving, camera. No, whatever. So, here is the jar. So, after this was done in the oven, I put 3 coats of the glossy glaze. And this is how it turned out. And from far away, these things look like little roses. So yes, this is made completely out of scraps left over from canes and scrap clay. I did not put a bottom on it because again, I don't see the bottom, so I don't really care. And for the lid, I didn't put any more clay on it, but I did hot glue a flower just on top. And there you have it. A polymer clay covered glass jar. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial Tuesday. I really hope to see you at the one next week. If there's anything specific that you'd like to see, please comment below. I did have somebody ask me to try that unicorn cane again, so may do that next week, but have any ideas? Anything you want to see? Definitely comment below. Happy to do it. So stay tuned. There's an unboxing portion of this video coming up. I just wanted to make sure you guys saw the results of today's Tuesday tutorial. Thanks again. Hey everyone! Today I have a really exciting unboxing. I ordered a diamond painting acrylic pen from BFF Diamond Painting Pens. They are on Facebook and they have a website which I will link below. And I do apologize, I started recording the unboxing for this and it recorded my audio but not my video, so I did kind of already have it torn open here now, but it's okay, we're still going to get the same effect. I have been anticipating opening this all day long. So it came in the nice manila envelope there, and it came wrapped in the bubble wrap, and inside the bubble wrap is wrapped in this tissue paper stuff. This is the pen. It is just absolutely stunning. I am so obsessed with this. This is under their glitters category on their website. They do have multiple categories on there, so I would definitely check them out. The price varies depending on which category you go with. So this is one of the premium picks. They had a sale and shipping was amazing, which is one of my favorite parts about this store. I have ordered from them before. I bought this pen from them. See, this was actually my very first acrylic pen. So at the time I purchased this pen, this was the size of all of their pens. Now they actually have 3 different sizes. So they have a regular size or shape too, which is this. This is what they have as regular. This new one is called chunky. So it is slightly, it looks like it's thicker just around the center mainly, not by a whole lot, but it definitely feels heavier than this one. So this is the chunky. And you do select this when you check out, like after you select your blank. And they also have another option. It's called Slender, which, you know, just as the name says, it's skinnier. It's skinnier like than the other ones. I think the base of it's really skinny, but the tip is kind of like chunky, like around here, and then it's really skinny. But yeah, there's multiple different categories. They have aluminum, diamond painting pens, diamond cask. This is from the Glitters diamond painting pen. They also have a category called Pick a Color diamond painting pen, which Pick a Color diamond painting pen, that was the category I purchased this from. The Glitters is a little bit more expensive, but they had that sale, so hey. And then they have you select what kind of placer you want. I think they have the 6, 9, or 3. I got the 3. Then you pick the other tip, which I got a 1, and it is a metal tip. And then the 3 placer here, it's in perfect shape. Amazing. Oh gosh, I just think it's pretty. I can't stop looking at it. But the shipping is another reason why I like this company so much. If you're in the United States, they are based out of Reno, Nevada. So I ordered this on October 31st and then received it today. So definitely not too bad at all. It's a lot better than those places with a wait time. Even when I ordered that first one, they didn't have a wait time. Like, they made it that day. I swear it shipped the next day. So they're pretty responsive. And the owner of the company, his name is Kadam or Kadam? I'm not sure how you pronounce his name, but I've reached out to him on Facebook a few times, asked him some questions. Very responsive. Just a really good company. So this pen in the glitters category, this was $40 regular price. They do frequently have sales. For this specific sale, I saved $8. That's why I went ahead, which is about the difference between, you know, the glitter or the premium picks and then the regular ones. So I figured might as well take a leap. And they also have a rewards program. I'm gonna log in real quick so I can tell you about that. So the first pen that I purchased from the BFF Diamond Painting Pens, this one, I paid $25 or $25.50. I believe there is a sale on that too, but it's not showing me the details. So this is just the regular pick a color. Oh no, yeah, this is when their website first launched. I purchased this, and I think it was like 30% off. Anyway, and then this one I paid $32 for after the sale. So the glitters is listed for $40. Just go on join their Facebook group, and they do like mass drops, which is like auction kind of things, but they also post about sales and stuff, and you don't even have to apply any kind of code. It automatically applies at checkout, which I love. And then their rewards program, I actually didn't even know existed until right before I did this unboxing, because I wanted to make sure I gave you all the details about it, about the website and stuff. So they do have a rewards program. After you create your account for the website, which again is linked below, you have a reward section. So for the first pen that I purchased, for this pen, I received 25 points. For this pen, I received 32 points. More you spend, more points you earn. Yeah, makes sense. And then there's an option to redeem your points. And after you press redeem, you see a big list of blanks. And it looks like the average amount, well, they're all, so I guess you get a free pen after you hit 150 points. So I thought that was pretty cool. Let me see, what else did I want to tell you about them? I think that's it. So that is it for this diamond painting pen unboxing. Another quick view there. Again, this is the glitters. Let me see if it'll tell me the name of it. I know these things have names. Have you ever noticed the blanks on all these websites or these sellers? They create names for every single blank. And I think that's some talent, you know? Let me see if it tells me. Oh, okay. Sleeping Beauty Glitter is the name of this one. And when you go to the website, you'll see the categories. It says Glitters Diamond Painting Pen, and this is Sleeping. Where'd it go? I already forgot. Sleeping Beauty Glitter. Then you choose your tips, and this size is chunky. So again, you can pick the regular, chunky, or slender. Yep, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go check out BFF Diamond Painting Pens. Look at that. Oh God, it's so pretty. Alright, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content. And thank you guys so much for hanging out on my channel. Have a good night, everyone.